And well, hello there everyone. Thanks for joining me. And it's a great day. I'm outside here. Just, well, I'm in my van, okay? And I just went for just a very brief walk. And right now, I'm gonna cook something really simple. And you're gonna see how I set up my little stove there. I called it a burner, and apparently it's not a burner, it's a stove. So, you know, single element stove, single stove. We know what it is. It helps me to cook something. But look at outside. It's really nice. Really nice area here. So, oh, I don't know if you saw this, but right there, that thing with the green tape, that's gonna be my mosquito net. So I'm working on that. Oops. It got pretty dark there. Okay, let's start. So one of the first things I do is I set up the stove, and in this case here, I want to make sure that I've got enough clearance. I've got this, my laptop and this whole like a lap desk there, so I'm going to move that out of the way. Maybe just dump it over there where my sweater is. And there we go. Wow, look at all that space. Looks fantastic. Let's see how this camera angle turns out. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go get the, I guess it's sort of like a Dutch oven, but it's just a casserole. So I'm going to place it right here. Okay. And I got the top right there. And there's the casserole. And seriously, I've gotten so much use out of this thing. I think it was like 20 bucks or 25 bucks. I got it from Walmart. Don't worry, I won't hurt myself saying that. And there it is. It's got one of those grill things, and you can see it's been used a lot. And you know, I'm not quite sure what I have, but I think I have something I could bake. And yes, I do. I do have something I can bake, and it's a spinach thin crust. So it's vegetarian, so that's going to be fantastic. It's going to taste good, and we're going to cook that or bake it. And here's what it looks like out of the package. And you know, looks pretty straightforward. Looks good. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to heat up the stove. This good, and we'll turn it on. There we go. We have ourselves a flame, and we're going to put the top on. And so from the top we have this, our little pizza, vegetarian pizza. We've got the stove running. We've got the fan running in the back over there. And I can already tell you, I can feel the heat. Now I do have the door open here. Oh, it's so nice outside. Oh my goodness. And let's go back over here. And I'm cooking. So it's pretty good. I've got some good airflow, and the front of the van windows are open as well. And to make sure I don't burn my hands, I have some oven mitts. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take out the pizza and place it in the pot. Wow, it looks really good in there. There we go. Just clean up a bit. So that's what it looks like. And then at this point, I'm going to put the cover on. The cover is on, and now we wait. So I'm going to set it for about 7 minutes, a timer, and then check again. But I'll tell you what, I've got a better idea. How about we read the instructions? So it says 12 to 14 minutes. Now, I'm just estimating how hot it is there in my little makeshift oven here. So I think 7 to 10 minutes should do it. You know, worst case, I just look inside and see if it looks cooked. And you know what? While we're waiting for it to cook, just a few things that you guys should keep in mind when you're cooking in your van. I mean, as much as possible, I prefer cooking outside my van. Like for example, at the back of the van, I do have like a table that you can sort of pop open, and then I can start cooking there. So the main thing is you have proper airflow, and I do have airflow. I've got the side door open. I've got the fan going. I'm open up at the front as well. So that's always important. And there's also some safety stuff you have to consider. My van has a carbon monoxide detector and a fire alarm. And I also have a fire extinguisher that I can get to very quickly. I just pull on that cord and it's released, and then I could use it. And ideally, I never ever have to use it. And on a yearly basis, make sure you get it checked and possibly recharged. Okay, make sure it's ready to go. You wouldn't want to use it and it doesn't work, so that's always important. Okay, let's take a look how these guys are doing. And I got myself a beverage. Okay, I'm just gonna peek inside. It's only been about probably 2 or 3 minutes, not even, but let's take a look. Last time I did this, I burnt it, and you know, it's looking really good. Maybe I'll turn on some lights as well so you can see it better. 1 second. Wow, that light makes such a huge difference. It's USB light, by the way. So here, let's take a look, open it up. Woohoo! Oh, very pizza light. And you know what? It doesn't smell like it's burning. That's a good sign. Last time I did this, I burnt it. It's in a video. Look for it on my channel. There we go. Let's wait a bit more and see what happens. What you see there is my mosquito net. It's nice here. I go here often. Very peaceful. You know what? It's looking alright. Okay, so I checked it and it looks like it's ready. The edges are slightly burnt and I could smell a bit of burning smell, so it's probably good to go. But we'll check it out. Okay, I'm gonna flip it up a bit and take a look at what it looks like. And it looks great. And it looks very good. And you know what, guys? Every time I cook in the van, I always say, oh, and it smells so good. The reality is, it does smell so good. And here it is. And smells good. Looks good. And that's what I'm gonna have. And so what I did, I just sort of sliced it into sort of columns, if that's even a thing, columns. It's like slices, okay? So it looks good. Smells good. Start eating soon. Yeah, it's a nice day. Gonna be chomping on this. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for visiting. If you like the video, please like it. If you think it's worthy, please subscribe. And if there's someone you know that could possibly find this channel helpful, share it with them. Thanks very much.